it's 10th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. First page, we have Israel and Hamas agree to phase 1 of Trump's Gaza peace plan. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have amid global instability, India-UK ties, key pillar of stability, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have air pollution in Delhi, silently triggering rheumatoid arthritis. Very important for health-related perspective. Moving forward, we have plan afoot to remodel 22-kilometer MB road stretch. Very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have curated safari or ecological disaster. SC pauses ecotourism park in Aravali is very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have clash on Assam-Meghalaya border leaves villager dead. Very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have uproar over missing the Sabarimala gold in Kerala Assembly. 3 Congress MLAs have been suspended. Very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have SC adult population overweight voters by 107%. SIR was justified. Very important again for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, page dedicated to World Mental Health Day. There are multiple things written over here. So there's very important news for health perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for the examination perspective. In the first editorial, it says a future-facing pact for India-UK partnership to reach its full potential. Gaps in mobility, regularization, and trust must be addressed. Again, very important for international issues perspective. Then we have about control, not culture. Women on stage shining, choosing, speaking. That scares the bullies in Rishikesh. Very important again from society perspective. Moving forward, we have first step to peace. For now, Trump's plan appears viable due to pressures on both sides in Gaza. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India has stakes in Gaza's peace, many a slip, and Netanyahu. This editorial is very important for again international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have India AI mission capable of handling data and privacy. Prime Minister to FinTech Fest. Again, very important for economic perspective. ChatGPT payments pilot rolled out. Again, very important for economic perspective. How India and UK pact partially blunts US trade policy hit. Very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. Then we have China says artificial diamond export curbs to kick in before US tariff truce deadline. Again, very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. The 5 rare earths Chinese exports control are targeting. Very important for economic perspective again. Moving forward, we have end of bloodshed and killing. This whole page is dedicated to this one news. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Hungarian master of apocalypse, second Hungarian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Very important news again. Then we have how ChatGPT prompts help catch Palisades fire suspect. Very important again for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have unease in Bombay House amid fight for the soul of Tata Group. Very important for economic perspective again. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.